Welcome guys, good afternoon. This is my Get Up and Go yoga flow. It's a short sequence that will leave you feeling more energized, stretch out your body if you've been sitting down for too long. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We're going to start on our hands and our knees. And your hands are under your shoulders, your knees are underneath your hips. And just start to take some nice big circles into the hips. If you've been sitting, driving, standing even, this feels really good just to release out the lower back and get some movement into the hips. You can make your circles as big or as small as you like and circle the other way when you're ready. Of course, you're breathing in and out through the nose. And one more in this direction. Coming back to center, drawing your belly in towards your spine. You're going to inhale, reach the right arm and the left leg away from each other. As you exhale, elbow to knee round the spine. Inhale to reach away. Exhale, elbow to knee round the spine. One more time on this side. And release, switch to the other side. Left arm and right leg. Inhale to reach, belly to the spine. Exhale, elbow to the knee and round. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to the knee. And this time release and come back to center. Spread your fingers, tuck your toes, press back, downward facing dog. And take a breath here. Inhale. And exhale. As you're ready, inhale, reach the right leg, three-legged dog. Circle out your right ankle one way. And circle it the other way. Now 3 times, you're gonna exhale, bring your knee to your nose, your shoulders over your wrists, and inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose, shoulders over the wrists. Inhale, three-legged dog. One more time. If this is too much, just come back to the same variation that we did on our hands and knees. Lower the right foot and pause. Take a deep breath. Inhale, lift the left leg, three-legged dog. Take a breath here. As you exhale, knee to the nose, shoulders over the wrists. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, bring it forwards. One more time, inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up, and this time exhale, step your left foot between your hands, lower your right knee down. Inhale, reach your arms up by your ears, tuck your tailbone under, drop your shoulders down, we're in low lunge. Stay here, breathing deeply. Keep those shoulders soft, stretching out through the hip. One more breath, maybe sinking a little lower into it. Then your left elbow is coming to rest on your left knee. Inhale up with the right arm and exhale, circle back. Inhale up and exhale back. One more, inhale up and exhale back. And lower your hands to the floor. Step your back foot forward, stepping your right foot forwards, take your feet hip distance apart and come to hang into your forward fold. You might need to have your knees a little bit soft to start with. Take a hold of the elbows, gently nod the head yes, and gently shake the head no. And stay here for another breath or two, in for 4. And out for 4, letting some blood get into the brain. One more breath. Great, and then we're going to step the left foot back. We're stepping the left foot back. Now we've got the right foot forwards and inhale, reach the arms up. Soften the shoulders, tuck the tail, gently lifting the heart up, stretching out into that hip flexor, which gets very, very tight if we sit for too long. Take one more deep breath to deepen into it. Right elbow's coming to rest on the right thigh, circling that left arm. Inhale up and exhale back. Following the fingers with the eyes, opening the shoulder and the chest one more time. And this time lowering the hands, we're stepping back, downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. You're going to inhale forwards into your plank and exhale back into dog. 2 more times. Inhale forwards to plank. Exhale back. 1 more time. Inhale forwards. And exhale back. This time when we come forwards, we're going to lower to the floor, bending the elbows. See if you can lower in one long straight line. Interlace the hands behind your back. And inhale, lift the head and chest off the ground. Reach your fists back towards your heels. Your feet can lift up if you like. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Lengthen your tail to your heel. 1 more breath. Lift a little higher if you like. And exhale, lower down. Hands under shoulders, belly to spine. Take it back. Downward facing dog. Take a breath. We're inhaling to reach the right leg up, right leg to lift. We're going to exhale the right knee to the right elbow. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Inhale up, 3-legged. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Inhale back up. Exhale forwards. Inhale up. And exhale, right foot forwards. Left heel turns down. Windmill the left arm, the right arm. Warrior 2. Look down your right middle finger and breathe here. Straight left leg, deep bend in the right knee. Of course you're breathing. Sink a little lower. Great. Lower the hands either side of the front foot. Lift up onto the ball of the left foot. Straighten the right leg, or as best you can, straighten the right leg and fold forwards. Breathing here. Soft shoulders, right side of the ribcage to the right thigh. 1 more breath. When you're ready, step back, downward facing dog. Take a pause here. Inhaling to lift the left leg, 3-legged dog. Left knee to the left elbow as you exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, left foot forwards. Right heel turns down. Windmill the right arm, the left arm, and you're in warrior 2. Bend into the left knee, straight right leg. Reach through the fingertips. Breathe. 1 more breath. Lower the hands either side of the left foot. Lift up onto the ball of the right foot. Begin to straighten out the left leg and fold over the leg. Left side of the rib cage onto the left thigh as best you can. Hips are square, shoulders are relaxed. And as you're ready, exhaling to step back, downward facing dog. Inhaling to come forwards to plank. Exhale, bend the elbows, lower all the way to the belly. This time, lift up onto your elbows. Pull the heart forwards. If it's available, you can lift the elbows off the floor. If that's too much, just keep the elbows down. Either way, you're working the shoulders down the back. You're lengthening your tail towards your heels. You're reaching your heart forwards. 1 more breath. And exhale to relax. Press it back, downward facing dog. Spread the fingers, tuck the toes, press back. Pause it here, take a breath. Last round, guys. Inhale, lift the right leg, 3-legged dog. As you exhale, right knee to the left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, right knee to the left. Inhale up. 1 more time, exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, right foot forwards, left heel turns down, right hand, right shin. You windmill the left arm up, triangle pose. Breathe, lengthen through the sides of the body. Spin the heart, reach through the fingertips. Great. Left hand lowers to the big toe side of your right foot. Inhale, the right arm lifts, twist. Turn the rib cage. One more breath. Right hand lowers down, step back, downward facing dog. Take a pause. Last time, inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, left knee, right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee, right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee, right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, left foot forwards. Right heel down. Left hand, left shin. Inhale, windmill the right arm. You're in triangle. Breathing here. Lengthen through the sides of the body. Straight line, left arm to right. Both legs straight. Give it one more deep breath. Right hand is going to lower next to the left big toe. Inhale, lift the left arm up. You're in a twist. Breathe. And on your exhale, left hand to lower, downward facing dog. Inhale, forwards into plank. Exhale, lower elbows in as you release all the way down. Now, if you're ready for it, bow pose. If that's too much, come back to one of the other variations of back bends that we've already done. As you're ready, lift the knees and the thighs, lift the head and the chest, lifting everything away from the ground. Still breathing. One more breath. And exhale, release. Hands under shoulders, belly to the spine. Take it back. Have a little child's pose. Bottom to the heels, forehead to the floor. Listen to the sound of the breath as you breathe in and breathe out. One more breath here. Chin in towards the chest as you curl up through the spine, finding yourself in a kneeling position or otherwise in a comfortable cross-legged position. Fingers to the shoulders, touching the elbows on the exhale, squeezing the shoulder blades on the inhale. Lots of tension in our shoulders and through our upper back from sitting and working at desks. Last time. Next time the elbows come together, you're inhaling up and exhaling down. Of course, you're still breathing. Last one. And circle the other way. One more time. Release. Slowly you're going to drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Reach your left fingertips out to the side. Reach your right arm across to your left ear. Breathe. One more breath. And slowly release. Gently the head comes back to center. Left ear drops to the left shoulder. Right fingertips reach away. Left hand comes over to that right ear. Breathe. And slowly release. Gently bring the head back to center. Bring the palms together at the heart. Bow your head, reminding yourself of all that you have to be grateful for and giving thanks. Have a